Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Coach Carver here. Today we're going to be going through how to set an alert on TradingView. Now there's a lot of ways that we can go about this, and it's actually pretty cool. What we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and we're going to jump right into it. I have the Australian dollar and the US dollar pulled up here on the 1 hour chart, meaning that each and every one of these candlesticks represents 1 hour of time. Now what I want to do is I want to go through here and show you how to set an alert. Now if you look up at the top, we have a little alarm clock with a plus button here. It's going to be create an alert, or you can use the hotkeys Alt and A together, and it's going to go ahead and it's going to pull this up. Now there's a few ways we can do this, right? One, we can do it like, let's say it was a simple crossing. Like let's say price were to cross up and were to go through and it would actually break through my structure here at 75467. I could come in here 75467. I can say notify me once when price crosses this. We can come through here. You can set the set it up to where you have your alert actions. If you have TradingView downloaded on your phone, it will actually notify you on your app. It'll send you a push notification and it'll say, hey, AUD USD is crossing 0.75467. You can have a pop up here on your computer. You can have it send you an email. You can do a webhook, right? There's a lot of different stuff you can go through. You can have it play a sound on your computer. You can pick the sound. You can see how many times you want it to alert you. You can have an email to a text message. Then you can come in here, your alert name, broke structure, right? There's a lot of things you can come in here. You can customize all this, and then you can just simply click on create. Now there's a couple of cool different ways. So like that will pop up, continue anyway. All right, so now it has an alert here, right? Let's say, oh, you know what? I actually want it to edit it to where it comes here. You can simply grab it and drag it, and then it will notify you there. Maybe you're like, you know what? I actually want to come through here, drag it down to there. You can do this, and you just, all you have to do is click save, right? Click got it, continue anyway. Now your alert's set to cross down here. Maybe you're like, oh, don't need that anymore. You can actually come in here and just double click this. You can click delete. It'll delete your alert. There you go. Now let's go back and I'm going to show you another way. So we have a couple of indicators loaded here on the chart. I have represented here in this pink a 200 exponential moving average, and in the white a 50 exponential moving average. I'm going to be doing a video later on. Make sure you guys subscribe. Go ahead and click on that bell notification, get notified when I drop new videos. I'm going to be putting out a lot of amazing content, a lot of value for you guys, and I'll be breaking down these same indicators. But what's cool is these two can actually cause a signal. When the 50 EMA crosses up above the 200, it is known as a bullish signal, which could be a buy signal, right? And then the vice versa, when the 200 crosses down between the 50, then it could be known as a sell signal. These can also be used as major levels of support and resistance. Now, let's say, I wanted to set an alert for when the 50 crossed the 200, meaning a bullish signal. We could come up here, click on alert, simply come through here. Now we have a condition. You see a drop down, you'll be able to see all of the different indicators that you have loaded onto your chart instead of just the actual currency pair. Now what I want is for the 50 exponential moving average to cross up the 200 EMA. We'll do once. You can see, you can have the different options, right? Where it just gives you that alert once, gives you once per bar, once per close, once per minute. Same thing, you can come through, break this all down, and then you have the breakdown here. Moving average exponential 50, crossing up the moving average exponential 200 on AUD USD 1 hour. Now this is what's cool too, right? Is you can come through here as I'm on the 1 hour chart, you can set alerts for different time frames. So if you want to come through here and you want to do this for a 4 hour or a daily or a weekly, and you can have it set up for when the 50 crosses up the 200, the 200 crosses down the 50. You can do this so many different ways, guys. You can get very creative with your alerts. Figure out what your trading strategy is, make sure you truly understand it, and then come through here and you can have these alerts. If at any point in time somebody says, hey, I'm taking this trade, once it gets to this point, maybe what you could do is you could come in, you can set an alert, get notified when price is getting close to it, right? And then you can go ahead and take a look at the chart, see if it matches up, and if it looks like something that you would be interested in. But guys, this is gonna be it for this. Our very next video is gonna be breaking down how to read candlesticks. I hope you guys are super excited excited for that. Make sure you go ahead, give me a like, give me a comment, go ahead and subscribe, guys. I'm gonna be putting out a lot of content. I'm gonna be pouring my heart and soul into this, so make sure you guys truly understand the amount of value that I'm gonna be dropping for you. I hope to see you guys on this journey with me. I appreciate your time, and I will see you on this next video.